Like where its feet are. If you drag and drop it in there, then you have it in your hands.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Like this?
No.
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 It's supposed to go on my feet.
Push.
No.
Liz would never.
No, I wouldn't.
Yeah.
Bless you. Cece, I have stuff for you.
I got live and learn just stuck in my head now.
Bless you.
Although my favorite song, I think, is either Escape from the City or I
Follow me. Set me free. Calliope gets here.
You
mean-
Yeah.
Now you're just being free and exaggeratory.
No, why would I lie?
Why would you
Been
do
waiting
that?
the entire time.
Okay.
Yeah, we did nothing until then.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
we were
Thank you
playing.
for
We were
the
doing a rock paper
fun.
scissors.
Yes.
Okay.
Does anybody have some
Fun,
food?
fun.
Thank you.
What do you?
Okay, I'm on my way.